How to start composting anywhere, even in apartments. No yard? No problem. You can turn kitchen waste into rich, living soil right from your kitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to start composting in any space, yes, even a small apartment. If you've been tossing out veggie scraps and coffee grounds, you've been throwing away soil-building gold. This guide is for apartment dwellers, small space homeowners, or anyone who wants to compost without the mess. Let's break it down into something that works for you. Number 1. What is composting? Composting is the process of breaking down organic waste, like food scraps, leaves, and cardboard, into nutrient-rich soil. It's not garbage. It's a living mix of fungi, bacteria, and tiny decomposers doing what they've done for millions of years. Benefits: reduces household waste by up to 30%. Cuts methane emissions from landfills. Makes your soil healthier. Costs almost nothing once you start. Number 2. What you can compost. Green materials, high nitrogen. Fruit and vegetable scraps. Coffee grounds and filters. Tea bags, plastic-free only. Plant trimmings. Fresh grass clippings. Brown materials, high carbon. Shredded cardboard or paper. Dried leaves. Straw. Toilet paper rolls. Paper egg cartons. Avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods in indoor composting systems. They smell and attract pests. Number 3. Types of composting for small spaces. Worm bin, vermicomposting. Uses red wigglers to eat your food scraps. Odorless when maintained properly. Can fit under a sink or balcony. Bokashi system. Fermentation-style composting using bran and microbes. Sealed bucket system. No smell, indoor safe. Finished compost needs to be buried after. Electric countertop composter. Dehydrates and grinds food scraps. Fast and odor-free. Expensive upfront but low effort. DIY bucket or tote bin. Add layers of green and brown material. Drill holes for airflow. Ideal for balconies or patios. Each method works. Choose the one that fits your space and comfort level. Number 4. How to start step by step. Pick your method: vermicompost, bokashi, etc. Get a bin or container. Add bedding, paper, cardboard, etc. Feed it scraps regularly, not too much at once. Stir gently and keep it moist, not wet. Harvest the compost in 4 to 8 weeks. This isn't hard science. It's more like tending a pet. Feed it, check on it, and it gives back. Number 5. How to use finished compost. Mix it with potting soil for houseplants. Add to balcony or container gardens. Feed trees or bushes in your area. Share with friends or neighbors who garden. Even small batches of compost are rich in nutrients. Number 6. Common problems and fixes. It smells bad? Too wet or too much green? Add more paper. Fruit flies? Cover new food scraps with browns. Nothing is breaking down? Not enough moisture or airflow? Too dry? Mist with water and stir gently. Don't panic, composting isn't perfect. Keep adjusting. Number 7. Composting saves more than soil. It saves food from the landfill. It saves you from buying chemical fertilizer. It saves the planet from methane and overpacked dumps. One banana peel won't change the world, but a million people composting might. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking of starting a compost bin, drop it in the comments and let us know which method you'll try. Hit subscribe for more practical eco-living tips. And remember, small actions, repeated often, grow big results.